family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Selena Zenchak. In today's video, I will be showing you guys my aloe vera plants. As you guys know, aloe vera is very great for so many things. I got a medium-sized aloe vera plant from my mother-in-law, and I was able to get so many aloe vera just from that one plant. So I'm just going to show you guys a simple trick how I was able to obtain so many aloe vera just from one sign. Now this aloe vera you are looking at, I called it the mother plant because it was this aloe vera sign that I was able to get all of my other aloe vera from. So as you can see, I'm just going to root out my aloe vera from the ground. It's very easy to take your aloe vera out, and it have so many other little aloe vera around it. So I'm just going to replant the one that I feel is ready to be replanted. So I'm just going to separate them gently. As you can see, it have a whole root and is big enough to be able to stand on its own. So I'm just going to pick all of those out and leave only the mother plant, and then I will show you guys how I'm going to replant all of them. I already have some aloe vera at the front yard, so there's not enough space. So I'm now at the backyard. I just cleaned up all the flowers that was there with the help of my husband. This is a flower that I don't know the name, and it just grew into big bush. It doesn't look pretty to me, and it just caused a lot of bugs in it. When we was rooting it out, we saw over thousands of red bugs. So no, this is not something that I want to keep around my home. So I got rid of that, and I'm just using a regular garden soil for my aloe vera plant. So just make sure you have all the roots of your aloe vera down into the ground. This is Florida, and where we live in, this sand is just like beach sand. It doesn't have anything good about it, so you will need garden soil for this if you are living in Florida. So I'm just going to plant my mother aloe vera, and then I'm going to proceed to planting my mini aloe vera that I took from the mother plant. I love using aloe vera on my hair. It's good for sunburn, it's good for cuts, and so many other wonderful things. If you want to know how to use aloe vera on your hair, I have so many videos on my channel that you can check. Aloe vera contains something called proteolytic enzymes, which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruff, and conditions your hair. So those are the mini aloe vera that I took from my mother plant, and I already planted them. This is how they are looking. I am going to water them today, and I wouldn't bother to water them after 2 or 3 weeks until I see that they need extra help. Aloe vera is a low maintenance plant. This plant do grow in the desert, so it do not need a lot of water to survive. We live in Florida, and it is always hot, So I do notice that sometimes my aloe vera leaves do change in color, and there when I would know that it need extra help and I will water it. So these are the leftover aloe vera sign that I have. I'm going to plant them in the pot until they are big enough to stand on their own. Now the secret to multiplying your aloe vera plant, the moment you know it is big enough, I would recommend that you plant it into the ground so that they can have more roots to multiply. When you keep your aloe vera plant in a pot, it limits its potential. So the moment I noticed my aloe vera was big enough, I planted it into the ground, and that is how I was able to multiply my aloe vera plant. So from just that one medium sign of aloe vera I took from my mother-in-law, I was able to get all of these other aloe vera from it. Okay family, this is the end of the video today. If you love this video, can you please give me a like, leave a comment down below, and let me know if you are interested in also planting aloe vera, and subscribe. I will see you in my next